The Marie Curie West Glamorgan Dementia Care and Respite Service is an integrated service comprising of a clinical and a volunteer element. The service is very much about supporting people living with late stages of dementia, but also importantly their carers.
When we receive a referral for the companionship service, a big part of that service working is our volunteer matching process. It's very, very holistic. It's based on what I know about the client and what I know about the volunteer. It's all about the individual rather than the diagnosis and the situation.
You come out of a call and you know you've made a difference. You know because you see it on the expressions of the faces of the person with dementia or with their carer, just a little special moment of thinking, yeah, this is a very rewarding job because you know you're making a difference. Because the unpaid carers are the real heroes of this situation, I think.
It's the visits, it's the friendliness, it's the availability. I know I've only got to pick up the phone and say we have a problem, and I know she would do her best to help us out straight away.
Because I live away, it just means that I feel that my sister and Marilyn are wrapped in love.
They're part of us now. If you know, they welcome any time. It's somebody different to talk to and to see, and that's a big thing, really. It's keeping us in the picture.